Good morning. The topic today is difference of artery and vein. Difference of artery and vein. Artery is a blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart. Artery is a blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart, while vein is a blood vessel that carries blood towards the heart. It means artery takes it away and vein brings it back. They are not different arteries. It is a loop. The time it is going away from the heart, this part of the artery is known as a blood vessel is known as artery, and the time it start going back, this part of the blood vessel is known as vein. This is a loop actually. These are not separate blood vessels. In the artery, blood is 98 to 100% saturated with oxygen. While in vein, this is 40% oxygenated, because when it started from the heart it was 100% oxygenated, but it went up to the end of the extremities, and now all the cells have taken their quota from this blood. So now 40% left, and that is going back to the heart to be fresh again and to be 100% oxygenated. The color the color of the blood in artery is bright red. The color is bright red because it is 100% oxygenated. While in vein it is dull red or dirty red, we can say, because this is 40% oxygenated now. 60% has been taken by the cells of the body. The next difference is arterial system is a high pressure system, and we know there is 120 by 80 blood pressure in normal adults, and in people who has hypertension it could be more. So this is a high pressure system, while in veins this is a low pressure system. The fifth difference is arteries are shown red in color. They are shown red in color, while veins are shown below in color. The veins are shown blue in color. This is only tradition. Thus, just to differentiate between artery and vein. Actually, there is no blue blood in this world. There is no blue blood in this world. It's only a tradition that to differentiate artery and veins, we give red color to artery and blue color to vein. Blood is always red. It is bright red in artery, it is dull red in the vein, but it is always red. Arteries, they do not have valves, because this is a high pressure system. They do not need any valves, so they do not have any valve. While veins, they are a low pressure system, so they need valves. Once the blood pass beyond a valve, it cannot come back. This valve support it. It close down and do not allow the blood to go back. I told you, wherever you have valves in the body, their function is to allow the traffic in one direction not in the opposite direction. If they allow traffic in opposite direction, this is a disease. This valve is incompetent, need to be replaced. Arterial walls are transparent. We can see blood through the wall of the arteries. While in operation room, we can see blood moving in the arteries. While vein has opaque walls, their walls are opaque. We cannot see color of the blood in veins. And I told you the blue color is a tradition just to differentiate between artery and vein. There is no blue blood in this world. Blood is always red. It is bright red in artery, it is dull red in the vein. Arteries, as they move away from the heart, they divide and subdivide, and they become smaller in size. Arteries become smaller in size as they move away from the heart. Vein, they become bigger and bigger as they move towards the heart. They start as smallest branches, that is venules, venular capillaries. The artery end as capillary. Capillary is the smallest branch of the artery. So where arterial capillaries finish, venous capillaries start. And as they move towards the heart, become bigger and bigger. They are not separate arteries. They are not separate blood vessels. They work in a loop. When blood is coming away from the heart, it is artery. The time it start moving towards the heart, it becomes vein. It is a loop. They are connected. Arteries end as arteries, but veins begin as capillaries. Arteries end as capillaries, but veins begin as capillaries, and as they move towards the heart, they become bigger and bigger. So that one big vein, inferior vena cava, come from the inferior side of the heart, and one big vein come from the superior side of the heart, which is known as superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. This is all for by this time. Thank you very much.